Hey guys, welcome to another property showcase by propertycozy.com. We have this lovely 3-bedroom, 3-bathroom home with plenty of yard space for sale. It is located in the Fairfield Mountains community in Manchester, where there is serenity and the neighborhood is friendly. This home is perfect for that small family or perhaps your investment. The land area is approximately 11,304 square feet. Guys, let's take a look at the exterior of this house. And please watch the entire video for more details at the end. The asking price for this house is Jamaican 32 million or US $207,900. To purchase or make an offer, please take a look at your screen or you may visit the description area below for full details. If you like this video, please hit the like button and also share with a friend. Thanks for watching, guys.